Hello everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Cash App sponsor request limit reached issue. Before we proceed, let's first understand why this issue occurs. This usually happens either when your sponsor's account is not verified or when you've been sending sponsor requests too frequently. Now, let's move on and see how to fix it. First, open the Cash App on your device. Tap on the profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap on Support. Next, tap on something else. Once you're on this screen, scroll down and select Cash Card. Keep scrolling to the bottom, then tap on Contact Support. On the next screen, tap on Not About a Transaction. At this point, tap on Chat at the bottom to contact an official Cash App representative. Briefly explain the issue to them. You can say something like, "Hi, I've been encountering a problem with the Cash App sponsor request. It appears I've reached the sponsor request limit. I believe this may have been a genuine mistake on my part, but I assure you it wasn't intentional. I am committed to avoiding such mistakes in the future. Please help me resolve this issue." The Cash App representative should help you fix the issue. However, if they are unable to resolve it immediately, you may need to wait around a week for the limit to reset on its own. That's how you fix the Cash App sponsor request limit reached issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.